Hi Home Chef, welcome to The Wok Life. I'm Will and this is my playground. In this video, I'm going to make a very quick stir fry of bean sprouts. This is one of the side dish you can usually add on to your weeknight dinner when you're in the pinch. You just get the bean sprout, wash it right out of the bag, and it's ready to go. I'm going to do a stir fry today in the style that I used to get when I was younger living in Taiwan to do a teppanyaki style. So it's very, very hot oil with garlic and black pepper and butter as well. So let's get cooking. Starting with a little bit of oil. I'm going to mince garlic. And I also like to put the salt in there now as well. I always forget to put it in later, so I like to put it in early on. Hey, it's really hot. I'm gonna put the bean sprouts in. Just stir. You want to cook on high heat, but also at the same time, once the garlic goes in, you want to stir it out of the bottom so it doesn't get burned. The bean sprout has a lot of moisture, and I really want to stir fry it to quite dry, almost char a little bit, like how you would get teppanyaki. One way to let moisture run out very quickly when you're cooking the wok is to push the vegetables to the side, and you can see there's a pool of liquid coming out in the middle, and this is how you let the extra moisture to kind of just quickly evaporate it out without overcooking your vegetable. When the moisture is almost gone, time to add in the butter. And this is where I will drop in the pepper as well. Depending on the spice level that you like, you can decide how much pepper you want to put in. Continue to give it a stir. The combination of the butter, garlic, and pepper is just simply amazing. Now the moisture is all gone. All I have to do is just let it char a little bit at the bottom and we'll be ready to plate. It has a little bit of char around some of the edges. It's good to go. This reminds me of childhood so much whenever my mom would take me out for a teppanyaki. So love to make it at home as well for a really quick side dish, a vegetable that goes with your protein or just additional vegetable that you have that's quick and easy. Let's have a little taste. The bean sprout sure has a little bit of that crunch. The pepper, the butter just coming together to really bring this dish to have a lot more complex flavor than just a straight up stir fry. I hope you give it a try. Let me know how it goes and give it a comment down below. Until next time, keep on cooking. Thank you for sticking around till the end. I hope you enjoyed the video, the recipe, and also get to try out a little bit. Feel free to join the community, leave your comments or suggestions down below. Any new ideas for new recipe you want me to try or want me to test out, happy to do it here for you. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe so you can always hear the latest from me. Thank you for dropping by The Wok Life.